sleepless nights can be a nightmare, especially when loud snoring disrupts your rest. At Brookfield Sleep Solutions, we understand how frustrating this can be. Our expert team specializes in custom treatment plans tailored just for you, focusing on non-invasive solutions for snoring and sleep apnea. Imagine waking up refreshed and ready to tackle the day instead of feeling exhausted. Located right here in Brookfield, Wisconsin, we're dedicated to helping you and your loved ones breathe easier and sleep better. Don't wait any longer. Call us at 262-436-2541 or visit our website to schedule your consultation today. Sleep soundly again with Brookfield Sleep Solutions.